Hello everyone, today I have a short review of ECCO men's sandals called ECCO Offroad. So they are size European 41, which corresponds to US size 7.5. They are packed into such a grey, typical for ECCO cardboard box. Let's see what's inside. So that's how they look like. Color code is mocha, which is in fact really brown. So they have this kind of cardboard insert in it, for them to keep their shape in the box. So that's how they look like. Special patented outsole, I think it's called Receptor. So why I decided to buy these? In fact, it's a second pair of these shoes. Previous one lasted for, I would say, 15 years. Of course, I didn't wear them every day, but still, 15 years is 15 years. You cannot call them lightweight. Each one weighs about 350 grams, but they are kind of solid. They have very soft touch padding. Also, they have paddings on these closures. By the way, the closure is hook and loop or Velcro. Have these vent openings here and here, here. Well, very nice shoes. They cost about $100 full price. I bought these on 6 p.m. on sale for, I think it was $65. So I think I was lucky to buy them for this price, because ECCO doesn't offer much discounts. So they have this ECCO sewn ECCO logo on the back. Very nice shoes. I recommend these shoes. I really like them. As I said, it is my second pair, and I think if I wear this off, I would buy the third pair, of course, if they produce them. So thank you for watching. Thumbs up. Thanks. I appreciate it. See you at the next reviews.